video. This video is about converting the physical quantities that we encounter while solving the problems, and it is found that the students commonly make serious mistakes in their conversion. This unity bracket system is a unique and a very foolproof method to convert the physical quantities. Let us see what is a unity bracket. A bracket that has value 1 is called unity bracket. For example, let us 1 meter divided by 1000 millimeters. Now these both quantities are equal, so the value of this ratio is 1. Similarly, 1 hour and 3600 seconds, both have different unit but their ratio is 1. Similarly, in length, 1 inch and 25.4 millimeters. These all brackets are called unity brackets. Such there can be numerous bracket. These all are called unity brackets because their value is equal to 1. Now let us see how to use these unity brackets in order to convert the units. Let us start with a simple problem. First, simple conversion. We have to convert 20 kilometers per hour into an SI unit we use for velocities meter per second. Now let us see how to use unity brackets to convert this. This is 20 kilometers per hour. Now in order to convert kilometers into meter, we will need one unity bracket. Similarly, to convert hour into seconds, we will need another unity bracket. Now what we have to do is, this kilometer we have to cancel, so write it in the opposite direction. Means this kilometer is in the numerator, write it into the denominator, and this hour is in the denominator, so write it into the numerator. And write what we need in place of kilometer, we need meter. Write the relation between them. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is the basic relation that everyone almost knows. And this is 1 hour. In place of hour we need seconds, so 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Now let us take out the values, constants out. It will be 20 from first bracket 1000 into 1, and in the denominator it will be 1 into 3600, and what remains here is kilometer per hour. From first unity bracket, meter upon kilometers, and from second unity bracket it remains hour upon second. Now what happens is, these get cancelled, kilometer get cancelled, hour get cancelled. What remains is meter per second, and these all calculations, the answer comes out to be 5.55 meter per second. So we have converted 20 kmph into meter per second using these two unity brackets. So this is a very simple and very effective, very foolproof, I say. Now let us try one more, second problem. This problem is 50 lpm, that is liter per minute, is a unit of discharge, into SI unit we use is meter cube per second for discharge. Let us see how to convert this unit without memorizing any of the constants, multiplying factors, using only common sense. This is 50 numerator is liters per minute. Now first unity bracket to convert liter into meter cube, the next one to convert minute into seconds. Please see how to write it. Liter is in the numerator, write it into the denominator. This is in the denominator, write it into the numerator so that it get cancelled. In place of liter we need meter cube, write here meter cube. In place of minute we need seconds, write it here seconds. And now we must know the basic relation between these two. So 1 meter cube of water is equal to 1000 liters, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now take out the constant values from numerator and denominator. 50 into 1 from first bracket and 1 from second bracket divided by 1000 from first bracket and 60 from second bracket. What remains is liter per minute, the original unit. From first bracket we get meter cube per liter, and from second bracket we get minute upon second. Now here there is cancellation of liters, there is calculation of meters. What remains is meter cube per second. Now this making a calculation, it comes out to be 0.00083 meter cube per second. Similarly, you can convert any unit. Let us try one more example that we commonly encounter. This example is about the unit of stress, 65 megapascal. This is unit of stress, and into Newton per millimeter square. Generally in strength of material we use this unit, Newton per millimeter square. Let us see how to convert. First, this mega is a multiplying factor, 65 into 10 raised to 6, and this pascal is equal to Newton per meter square, but we need Newton per millimeter square, so it will be 65 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. Means meter is 2 times, so we'll need 2 brackets to get cancel meter 2 times. The first bracket in the numerator, second also into numerator, and in place of we need millimeters. So the basic relation we know, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Taking out the constant, 65 into 10 raised to 6, from first bracket we get 1, second bracket we get 1, in the denominator it is 1000 into 1000, and here units Newton per meter square, meter upon millimeters, meter upon again millimeters. This meter square gets cancelled, and finally we get 65 Newton per millimeter square. This 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 gets cancelled with this 10 raised to 6. So this is a very important and very basic method. Thanks for watching. You can have more videos on my website www.macdiploma.com. You can contact me for any further clarification on my email engineer.sameer